Hey everybody, it's Starr. As you can see, I'm starting out with some black beans and I just soaked them overnight in some water just to get it all ready and blown up before I actually cook them. I'm making black bean soup with some celery stalk. You just want to chop that up finely with some yellow pepper and onions. Saute that in a pan with maybe about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your liking, about 10 minutes only on high, medium heat is pretty good, but if you're in a rush, just do high heat. I add some minced garlic, about 2 tablespoons. I add garlic to everything, so this will be almost in every video. As you can see, everything simmered down really nicely. I didn't season it yet because I'm going to do that towards the ending when I add the beans. So you just want to grab the beans and leave the water as is and just pour everything into the pot. And I was making a nice big pot of black bean soup so it can last me a few days for like my meal prep, and I really love black bean soup. Now you want to add some filtered water and cover all the beans. That way when it simmers and everything boils together, the water is just going to go down. So you want to make sure that you have enough. Give it a nice stir so nothing is sticking at the bottom of the pot. And get all the flavors, you reunite it all together in the pot and let that simmer. At this point, it's getting low, so I added in my corn and my tomatoes. You can add whatever veggies that you like, but I really like corn and tomatoes in it. Add some black pepper, some Himalayan pink salt, along with some cumin. And cumin has like a weird taste, but for some reason it's a good spice when it comes to soups, along with some onion powder. And if you haven't already, if you like this video, you reached this point, please subscribe. That way you'll be in tune with all food posts that I post here on my channel. And I'm so grateful that you're continuing to watch. And I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Give everything a nice stir, and depending on if the beans was getting soft enough, you may have to add more water. But at this point, I let everything simmer down and I took some of it out and I kind of pulsated it in the blender to give it that creamy texture, and then I'm going to add it back in the pot. And you'll see in the next clip that it thickened up and is nice and creamy. It's not the best picture, but to me it just was so amazing, and I was really thrilled with the way that I had this black bean soup, and it was definitely a go. You can pair it with anything that you want. I decided to add some avocado and some arugula, and this is the picture of the next day I had for lunch. Please be sure to like this video, that way I know to keep them coming out to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one.